Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am so sorry I have been absent. I've been dealing with some medical stuff. I'm okay at the moment. And today we have a haul. This is it's a camping haul. Most things I've bought are for camping. Because I'm going longer this time, so I needed a few different things for a longer camp trip. So the first thing is this mat, and it is so cute. Look at that. Look at it. It is so cute. I got the mat for the toilet tent to put in there because it's a toilet slash shower tent. So then once you have a shower, you'd step on the mat in the toilet section, and yeah, I thought she'd be cute. She is. I got some boots, which I didn't just need for camping, but I needed shoes in general. So they're very cute. These are from TK, and I got them for $49.99, and they're a good brand. Like, they're physically screwed in. They're good combat boots. The mat was also from TK. I'm gonna go through this little bag. This is from Typo, and this could be for camping. I don't know what's in here. It was a mystery bag. So the first thing we have is the Doodle Boy Joy Rail. Just a little, comes with some colouring in pencils and some colouring in pages. She would be good. So I only paid $20 for what's in this bag, and in total will be more than $20. So this here is already $16.99, so $17. Then got it's a lip handle mug, and this is $24.99, so already over the $20 that I've spent. Let me get it out, because if it's the one from the picture, it is. She's adorable. She's huge. She's adorable. Look at this. Look at this handle. So she needs a bit of a wash. She's a bit dirty. She's probably been on display. But she is microwavable safe, dishwasher safe. Oh, that's cute. It's designed in Australia, made in China. Proper clean, microwave safe, dishwasher safe. But enough about me. How are you? So she's super cute. I could take her camping, but I don't think I'm going to, because I already have a camping mug. But I've got a box now for my camping. We got a pack of glitter outlined marker pens. Pack of 6, and these were $12.99. So that's good. I can take them camping. The colouring in thing. I've also got a sketch artist book. Oh, sweet. I've needed a new sketchbook. I love this so much. This will be coming camping with me for sure. I love sketching. Oh, sorry, I forgot and that is $19.99. So we're already over double what we got. And then another The Doodle Boys Joe Whale times that. It's another colouring in book. It also comes with pencils. This one here says that it was $5, so it must have been marked down from $16.99 to $5 and then put in this bag. So that's good, and we got a bag. Okay, back to, I've got a huge bag here. So I got this blanket. It's nice and soft. It's like that teddy blanket. And it is a queen to king size, and I only have a double bed for camping. So it's going to be nice and warm for my camping trip because it is currently winter in Australia. So I also got my nose done today. So that was done. I also have a new camp chair, but that's a bit big to show here, and it's in the car. So my camp blanket, just cute. I bought a new set of pajamas, not just for camping, but because it's cold. They got croissants on them. They're all croissants, nice and fluffy. Came with its pants. These were $27. So it's like a jumper jacket, la croissant. But these will be coming camping with me as well. Nice and warm feeling. It's also that teddy fleece or faux fur, if you want to call it. Alright, what else do we have in here? This is from Miniso, some dry wipes for the toilet area in the camping. This is my toilet paper. So dry wipes. I then got this pack of packing bags because it's meant to pack them in there real tight, which will then give me more room in there. So it comes with 7 packs, and it looks like it comes with a skincare, electronics. Yeah. Why don't I just open it and see what it comes with? So the first one is underwear and accessories. So hats, socks, underwear. Alright. The next thing that comes in here are shoes. And it's a little baggie. And then we got electronics and a little softer bag. Then we have, I'm assuming this would be, yep, toiletries. I already have a toiletry bag though, so this might be used for other things. A skincare. This is bottoms. So my pants and tops. So that works out well because that's plenty of bags that I can work with. And then it looks like they fold up as well and clip together. So that's good. So I've got some packing bags. Now some more things is I got some lights if this cardboard wants to come off for me. There we go. It comes with a charger inside by the looks of it. Once I figure out. There we go. Nope, that's nothing. Ah, there we go. So it comes with a charger, which is okay. She's currently dead, but she's a light and she's got 3 different speeds. She's also a portable charger. So I'll put her on charge and see if she'll light up while I charge her up. No. I'll charge her up for now, see if she does a thing. Now, I've got plenty of these chargers, but I'll keep that charger because that works for our phones. I then bought this light. So all the lights go on sale. Kmart had a big sale on. And this one is a 2-in-1. So it is a light. Sorry, I should have warned someone then. But it is a light. And then it's also a fan with 3 different modes. So she's good. She is also chargeable. And she's solar powered from the bottom. So you can hang her upside down. She's got solar panels on her. But she is a USB-C charger as well. All these boxes will be good. They will go into my fire bag as fire starters. I then had 2 of these little lights. Ow. If I can get into it. And they are rechargeable little hanging lights. Oh, with 4 different settings. And they're rechargeable with a USB-C as well. So I'm getting a bunch of new USB-Cs, so they're all coming with me on the camp trip. Because tomorrow I am buying my solar panel because I couldn't find it today. And I got 2 of them. And they're just plastic bulbs. Alright, what else do we have in here? Let's go with the last light. I then bought this light, which is a lantern with a speaker in it. There's also a USB-C charger. The speaker's in the top here. And I really like the faux leather strap. So, so she turns on when you turn on the lamp. So you have a flickering, then you have a solid. So that's very cute. She'll come camping. I think that's all the lights, but if not, well, I bought some fitted sheets for the double bed that we have. Then I bought a new hot water bottle for myself. This is because my other one isn't the best. Okay, I don't know how to get that off, but yeah. And it's pink. It's this dusty pink that I really like. And she can come camping as well for the pain. I then bought 3 gas canisters for the gas cooker. I bought a cutlery set which comes with a fork, a spoon, a knife and chopsticks in this green colour. And then I also picked up this pack of 3 travel wipes. They're antibacterial wipes, micellar water and fragrance free. So that's antibacterial, so wipe down the table, micellar water, clean my face, and fragrance free can be for anything. So I picked up 3 of them. I also picked up some cherry blossom hand sanitizer, some wet ones, and some fast working Advil. I then, last things we have, now I only paid for 2 of these and I got the other 2 for free. So I got Calm and Love in wax melts from Dusk, and what I got for free is Almond Honey and Rose Love room spray, and she is gorgeous. And I got Lotus Flower and Bergamot room spray, which is the wax melt that I already owned out of the 3. And that was everything for today. So I got my nose done, got the boots. Yeah, that was everything. Oh, I also picked up, I ate Subway for lunch. Also, 2 of these. These are my all-time favourite teas. There's this iced tea peach decaf. It is this brand. It is better than Lipton. So much better than Lipton. Alright, well thank yous for watching. This time I will try not to let it be so long before the next upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.